What did the doctor say? Talk to me.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? For a madman? Lizzie. Hey! You said this thing happened at the next street, right? I think I know that madman. Yes. He's the only madman that roams in this area. Hey.
Even if it will cost me my life, I must get rid of this one.
Of course. I thought you were planning to keep a man's man child.
Hi!
Never.
How can I be pregnant for a madman? A madman? A crazy person? Oh. My life is finished.
No, Lizzie, please. That's not the end of the world, okay? Please. You see, I will borrow you some money. So that first thing tomorrow morning, you go to the hospital and get rid of it. Yes, you can't keep it. It's a disgrace. Okay?
Thank you.
It's alright, Lizzie. Lizzie, look at that madman. Look at that stupid madman. He could be the one that raped you.
Yes, he is.
Really?
What? Mike!
You know him? Somebody help me! Lizzie! Wake up! Lizzie! Lizzie! Somebody help me!
Whoever did this? Whoever did this, it shall never be well with that person.
Amen! 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 It's okay. Please, Lizzie, stop crying, please. Please, it's okay.
Hey! Mike! My own Mike! A madman! Hey!
It's okay, please.
Hey!
Lizzie, stop crying, please. Everything will be fine, please.
I will no longer get rid of this baby. I'm keeping this child.
You still want to keep it for a madman?
Don't say that. Don't say that. He's not a madman. He's my love. He's one person who will go to any extreme to make me happy. Look at what they've reduced him to.
Please,
Look at what they've reduced him to. A street madman. A street madman. Hey!
Take it easy.
It shall never be.
You should never be wearing that person.
Just want to let you know that I love you. I love you so much. I even love you more than I ever thought I could.
Mm.
And I'm ready to give you anything as long as I'm alive.
Anything.
Anything. The reasonable and realistic ones. You're just so adorable. Don't you think so?
Whoever did this to you, it shall never be well with that person. It shall never be well with them.
So I will take this delivery to the hospital. His condition is so down. Please be fast.
Okay.
Be fast about it.
What is going on here?
The Igwe's condition is getting worse. We need to take him to the hospital, but the doctor's line is not connecting.
I got you.
Please give me.
Do you want to commit abomination by taking the Igwe to the hospital?
How? I don't understand.
Now listen. No vehicle leaves this compound. No vehicle leaves this compound. Keep calling him until you get him.
Why are you doing this?
It is an order. Keep calling the doctor.
How I wish I can get good sum of money now.
Lazy, you have started again. I told you we can be managing this little money I have with me. Okay?
It's not that.
So what is it?
I need money so I can go to Akama village to contact Mike's people. At least for them to know what's going on.
Yes, you're right, but the problem here is money. You know my Oga is out of the country. I would have borrowed money from him. But don't worry, Lizzie. There will be a way out. Okay? Let's have hope.
Jacinta.
Osita, so you have the guts to show your face in front of me? And even want to exchange pleasantries? Osita, may God punish you there. It will never be well with you.
Jacinta, I am so sorry.
Keep that sorry for every miserable member of you and that of Frank. And tell Frank, wherever I see him, the devil will receive a permanent visitor. Come, let's go. Come. I said, don't do that.
Having many girlfriends doesn't mean you're handsome.
Yeah.
Cheap products attracts many buyers.
But that's true.
Sugar.
Yeah, there.
You needed to have seen the drama that took place at William's office today.
What happened?
The accountant he employed eloped with a whooping sum of 50 million naira. I'm telling you. And when they started digging deep, they discovered the guy came in with the wrong information about himself.
What? How can someone make such a huge mistake at this modern time?
Oh, it happens. Okay, you that is talking. You employed a housemaid without getting the proper information about her. So what are you saying?
But I did. Uka brought her. And besides, these are two different situations.
Oh.
And listen, I would never ever employ an accountant without doing a thorough investigation about his or her background.
Okay, what are you saying? Housemaid, accountant, they both pass through the process of employment.
No, babe, they are not the same.
Employment
They are
is
not.
employment.
No, they are not the same. Babe, stop. Okay, see, you need to look at this. Leave your accountant issue alone. You need to look at this.
Okay, you know how to crack me up. See this one.
This one has wicked like you. I didn't say that.
Lizzie. Pregnant.
Yes? That's none of your business. Look, I hope you didn't come here to look for me. Because you and I have nothing in common. Whatever happened was in the past and it remains there. I have moved on.
Oga Osita, now wow. If anybody tell me say you fit do this kind of thing, I for no believer. Anyway, make una talk, sha.
Lizzie. Please, I sincerely beg for your forgiveness.
Forgiveness. Forgiveness? Anyway, there is nothing to forgive. Yes, I took in, but it was still there. And after which, I decided to move on with my life.
What about Prince Will?
Jacinta's child. Oh! So you raped her too that night?
No. That's why I'm wondering how the child can be ours. Lizzie, please. Tell me the truth, because I know beyond all reasonable doubt that that boy is my child. Yes, it's funny. Frankowski! What's up now? Why this sudden calmness?
What's that? Do you know that you are a devil? What you do to that innocent girl is no good now. It's very bad.
How? What did I do to her, if I may ask?
You took advantage of her. As if that is not enough, one day. You did it raw, without using protection.
So, what did you expect of me? Make I take this advantage of? Now, advantage I could take now. All for you. Okay. Oh, that was why you called me a devil. Oh, I see. That was why you were acting like a mugu. You saw a free food where they place for you on a platter. You refuse to eat. Come on, man. You don't expect me to spend my hard-earned money on those girls and be on the losing side. What are you even saying? I did not even finish what I wanted to do with that girl. Just 2 rounds and you're talking. What I planned. Only can like 7. Like, not for you.
Guy, you did this without using any protection. What if you contact infection? Or what if the girl gets pregnant?
Waiting chemist then they do. Waiting pharmacy then they for. If I carry infection, I go buy medicine, drink her. If she carry belly, she go born her or she go come out if she no feel born her. What are you even saying?
Just like that.
You act like Mugu. I'm beginning to suspect you.
See.
Oh, that was why you refused to touch Jacinta. Like say you're impotent. Two fine girls with they like down for you. Yo, this is
Guy, see, calm down. I thought this was just a joke. I never know Jacinta will betray her best friend Lizzie. I swear to God.
Now you know.
Shock me.
Forget. Stop this your holier than thou attitude. No be saying that you go church pass. Waiting don't happen. I get where I won't carry you go. Now even make me come. No be here they think. Even Frank did not touch her that night.
Please. I don't know what you're talking about. I do not, and I do not care to know. It is already bad enough for me. Whatever happened between us, please, do not remind me about it. I don't want to be reminded about it. Do you understand?
Please, I need your support on this. That boy bears a birthmark that everyone in my family bears.
Wait, what are you talking about? That Prince Wu is your child. My baby?
How is it possible that both of you took him on the same day and delivered on the same day?
Please, don't confuse me. Don't. Why would Jacinta want to take my child?
See, we can't stand here and keep talking about this. We need to sit. We have a lot to talk about.
Wicked man! You will not succeed!
Don't make me do what I said!
You will not succeed!
You stop this!
I will punish you! You just come out of the blue and you're claiming to be the father of my child. Something is wrong with your head.
I still suggest we run a DNA test to prove me otherwise.
You are very sick. I will not.
Jacinta, what is this man talking about? A DNA what? Excuse me, Is it this man that impregnated you?
He is not. The father of my child is dead. Long time ago. I don't know what he's talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about. Jacinta, you don't know what I'm talking about. Listen, you have to examine your hair because you weren't the woman I slept with. It's Lizzie.
Oh! So you know! You know I wasn't the one you slept with. So why are you claiming my child? Why? Why are you here? After raping us, you have the nerve to come to this place? You have the nerve to show your face here? To claim a child that is not yours? Eh?
So you know him all this while?
Well, it wasn't a situation to be proud of.
Stop all this pretense, Jacinta. I don't even know what is wrong with you. I did not sleep with you for God's sake. Are you sick in the head?
Hey, listen to me! You don't talk to my woman that way. What is wrong with you? I think there's only one way out here. Yes! We have to go for the DNA test he suggested.
DNA test? I am not going for any DNA test. Prince Will is my son. I am not. I'm not going for any DNA test. Prince Will is my son. Period. DNA test.
Jacinta.
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 I'm sorry.
Jacinta, listen to me. Listen to me, Jacinta. You are a liar, a shit, and a confused woman. I can't stay with you, Jacinta. I'm going back to my family's house. Leave me alone, Jacinta. Jacinta, leave me alone.
He's kicking.
Oh, another he.
Yes. Luckily, I get to see my children before they are born.
Oh.
So how did the DNA go? I told you not to bother yourself about it.
The boy is mine.
That's not possible.
That's not true. Wait. Why would Jacinta steal my own child? Oh my goodness. Prince Will is my son? And I never got to know all along I was with him. Hey! Why? What did I do wrong to deserve this? Ah!
Is it the baby?
Yes, I guess. No! It's on. Let's rush her to the hospital.
Okay. Please bring her.
Please, take it easy. Easy. Sorry. Sorry.
Ay, 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 ay. Ichezu.
Cat! Cat!
Yes, my queen. Hey, help me, help me, help me. Ichezu.
Hold him
What
down!
is it
Take
now?
him down!
Ah! My leg, oh, my leg, my leg, my leg.
Your
My
leg?
leg, oh. Hey, Lolo.
You should then.
Help me.
What happened?
Ah! Hey. Ichezu. Who slapped me? Who slapped me from back? Who slapped me from back?
Slap?
Ay, 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 ay. Lolo, Lolo, help me, Lolo. What is it?
You should then.
Ude, help me, Ude. Ay. What is it?
You should then. What happened?
Ay. Hey, my head, oh, my head, oh. Hey, who slapped me? Who slapped me? Who slapped me from back? Ay.
Why am I dressed like this? What's going on? Oh my God. What is going on?
Akwala. Yay!
Hey! Easy.
Mike.
So,
Mike. You know my name?
of course, yes. You're my woman. And whose baby is this?
My baby.
My baby. My God.
Let me excuse you guys, okay?
Sis. Sis. Sis.
Ejiro.
Yes, sis.
Ejiro.
Sis. Sis.
Ejiro, is this you?
It's me. Sis, what happened to you?
Hey. I'm so happy to see you.
Same here. What happened to you?
It's a long story. But that's by the way. Where is Effie and Mama?
Efina lives in America. But Mama left us.
Left us to where?
He's dead.
What? Hey. Hey.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Please. Calm down, please. Please don't. You know you're not strong yet, please.
Ejiro. What did you say?
Please, Mama. Please. Not too strong, please. Just rest. Rest a little, okay, please. Okay.
What did you say?
It's okay. Please stop. Sis, please stop. You know you're not too strong yet, please. It's okay. Just rest. Don't cry yet. Please. It's okay.
I don't want talking.
Yes, it's fine.
What happened? You don't speak good English.
Yes, sis.
I saw. Are you married?
I'm not married to Ken. I'm even having a daughter together.
Which Ken?
Ken, you know. It's okay, I'm so happy you're okay that you're here.
That's my child.
Oh my God. Oh baby. Oh, so cute. Baby, so cute. Oh.
son. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine, you're mine alone. I love you so much, my son. I cannot let you go. You're my life. I cannot let you go. Whatever I did to Lizzie was never intentional. I had no choice. I was helpless. Oh. I just wanted to be a mother. I wanted to be a mother. Oh. I can't let go of this house, but I can never let go of you. You're my life now. How can I let you go? I cannot do. I cannot do. I cannot do. You know what? We have to leave this house. We have to leave this whole place and go far away. We have to go. We have to leave this place and go far away. Okay? We have to go. You're my everything. See, I know I've wronged you. But see, I swear, I am sorry.
Madam, please keep quiet. Eh? Just keep your mouth shut there. Shut up! You're sorry. What are we going to do with your sorry? Please keep your sorry to yourself. We do not need your sorry and those crocodile tears in your eyes. Maybe you try something else.
It's okay.
No, baby. It's not okay. Oh. It's not okay. This lady here is very wicked and heartless. A child thief. Only you. Just look at you. Look at you. I don't even know why we did not come with some policemen to get her arrested. Very wicked girl.
Jacinta, I was your friend in totally. But you never appreciated what we shared. How could you do this? Took over my property, stole my child, lied to my mother, and killed her with a lie. How could you? These are just the few out of the many you did that I do not know.
I was jealous. Very jealous. I felt I was more beautiful and I deserved more. But I couldn't even get quarter of what you have. You had everything you needed. A handsome and a supportive man who did almost everything for you. Gradually, you got a job. Then you bought a house. But me, nothing. I have been stagnant. I have been in square zero. Nothing has been working for me. I've been squirting under your roof.
Really? Really, Jacinta? And my child?
But you told me that she's not at home now. Yes, she's not at home, but it's possible she can come back and eavesdrop on us.
So when her pregnancy starts showing, I also have to pat your tummy as if you're pregnant. It's okay.
Okay, so how about the antenatal?
I'll be coming to the house to conduct a checkup on her and also pretend to be conducting a checkup on you. You know that you're okay. You should come to our hospital. She may find out.
Okay, thank you.
Let me find out. Please go. Okay.
I don't have a womb. That was why I did everything possible. I bribed the doctor to lie to you that if you terminate the pregnancy,
you would die. I just wanted to be a mother. And
so that you don't lose it. Okay. Thank you very much.
I had no choice.
You are so wicked. You are so terrible. You are a fake friend. Jacinta, you are bad. I never knew I was living with a devil under my roof. You know what? Go in there, pick up everything that belongs to you and leave this place. And hand over the papers to these properties to me. Because I will come back this evening. And if I come back, you're still here, I'll be forced to call the police on you. I suppose these are the documents to this house. And my child?
Hey, listen, please. No, please, don't do that to me, please. Don't take me away, please. Please.
Are you alright? Are you okay? Will you expect me to leave my child for you? That is not possible at all.
But you never wanted him. I was one who insisted you keep the pregnancy.
Oh, well, if that is the only thing I achieved being your friend, then so be it. Wait, you expect me to leave a child that almost took my life during delivery? You know what? Of a truth, I actually feel for you. Because deep down here, I still love you. But there's no way I'll be a fool to continue with you, obviously. I would be a fool. You know what? I've said it before. Go in there, pick up your things and leave this place. Leave this place because I will come back. I will come back.
Sis, let her go in there now and carry her things and go. Go in there. Carry her things and leave now. Or is it only this one?
No. We're still humans. Let's just give her little time to pack her properties properly.
Okay then, no problem. I will wait here. I will wait for her to go. Madam,
Please.
go inside.
What are you trying to do? Osita, there is no way I would let you have my child. Because you are equally irresponsible. I can't let you or her have my child. When I get married, then my husband will decide who the child stays with.
I'm waiting for her here. Go and carry your remaining things and get out of this house. Today I'm ready for you. I will join you sis, I'm coming. Hey. Madam, are you still here? Go and carry your remaining things now and go. I wait for you here.
My princess! My child!
Baby, don't worry. If you want to go, you can go. I will sit here and wait for her. Go and carry your remaining things. Today you must leave this house. Wicked girl.
Feel like I'm trapped in the loop.
Are you still here? Sweet, I want to carry your remaining things and leave here.
Lost all the beauty of this life. Tell me your best and I lost my mind. When you broke out and you broke my heart.
Go. Don't worry, I will help you carry one.
We were like sugar and tea.
What's my bag?
Like bread and butter.
This lady is a very wicked person. Very wicked. Be going, hurry, I don't have time. Is she going small?
Madam, move. Don't waste my time, move.
Keep going. Go. Take it, let her out of this place. Let's see one of the bags. I don't want to see that your nonsense leg in this compound again. Take her, don't let her
Please help me. Yes, I did it. Yes. Yes. Yes, I did it. Yes. Yes,
Lolo,
I did it.
what is he talking about? You did what?
What exactly do you want the gods to do for you?
Agrika, I came from a far land because I heard the wonders you have been performing here. I want to be the next king of Akama Kingdom. But I have just one problem. My elder brother's son, Mike.
That is not the answer to the question.
I want him out.
What about your elder brother?
Agrika, why? Gently, I don't want to rush things. Because I don't want people to suspect me. Inugo, kai wiri and why? Agrika. Thank you so much. Ndewo.
Go! Do what I ask you to do.
I will. Thank you so much. Hi.
Akịrịka na-eme ihe mgboro abụọ. Ọ ga-aza m oo.
I am so happy for this your visit and the money you gave to me. 50,000 naira this hard time. My brother, your father, is happy to have you as a son.
Uncle, you are also my father.
Oh, that I know.
Yeah.
I know. You'll be leaving to the city now.
Right now, I'm leaving.
May the gods lead you,
Protect
you, grant you journey mercy.
Well, thank you so much.
It's okay.
Let me start going. Huh?
It's okay.
I'll see you.
Ngwano.
Evil. Evil people shall never go unpunished.
Exactly.
They shall die. Evil man.
It shall never be well with you. Eze! It shall never be well with you. You are a wicked man.
Nothing! Oh!
But such offense is liable to 21 years imprisonment.
Yes. Let him face it.
Let us not go to that length, okay? Osita committed a big crime. Yes, we all know. But there's a child in between. Yes, there's a child in between. All this while he has been in the police custody, and that must have taught me a lesson.
What about the baby's laying claim on?
There is no way I'm going to leave my child for anyone. A child I suffered so much for in labor room.
That is what I'm talking about. Osita must be released. There is a child in between, and that child serves as a bond between you and him.
And what are you trying to say? I should leave my child in his custody?
Babe, see, even in the court, they will ask you to release the child for him at the age of 18. Larissa, am I not saying the truth?